all digits. All digits. All digits.
Okay, YouTube, back again. As you guys can see, this is what I was trying to do, and it's coming along pretty good. I'm gonna like it. It's gonna be plain and simple. I can still use the rubber that go here, or I might left it out. I'm probably gonna left it out because it's gonna look too nice to cover it up. But anyway, next step is to go ahead, cut 2 more pieces to add on the driver's side and the passenger side, and I'm gonna have to get rid of these 2. So this is coming off, so I can add my new piece, and then I'll go ahead, tack weld both pieces on each side, and then finish doing all the tack weld all across, so I can go ahead, grind it down nice and smooth, blend it in, and then do some body work on top. So yeah, it make the firewall stand out some more. If you guys looking, make it look way nicer. And then over here I got a nice curve. Everything is one straight finish, as you guys see. And then I was able to bend this pretty good too. I start from the center, work my way out, and then work out pretty good. So tomorrow I'll try to get at least everything done when it comes to the welding on the firewall, and then I need to move on to the rain guarder, because I'm also deleting the rain guarder. So you guys will see. So anyway, you guys stay tuned, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.